Welcome to the Safe Place channel! Are you ready for a math quiz? Let's see how many you can get right. 20 math problems are waiting for you. Ready? Go! Let's start with 3,284 plus blank equals 5,903. You can use a pen and paper, but no calculator. Three, two, 1. The missing number is 2,619. 3,284 plus 2,619 equals 5,903. Let's solve this one. 46 times blank equals 184. Three, two, 1. The correct answer is 4. Next, blank divided by 6 equals 72. Three, two, 1. Let's check the answer. It's 432. What number makes 7,915 minus blank equals 6,482? Three, two, 1. Great. The missing number is 1,433. 7 times blank equals 245. Three, two, 1. Let's see. The answer is 35. Blank minus 1,275 equals 3,864. Three, two, 1. The correct answer is 5,139. Stay focused. 52 times blank equals 260. Three, two, 1. That's right. The missing number is 5. Blank divided by 8 equals 64. Three, two, 1. The missing number is 512. 512 divided by 8 equals 64. 8,203 minus blank equals 7,145. Three, two, 1. Let's see. The missing number is 1,058. Blank plus 2,476 equals 4,981. Enjoying the quiz? Like and subscribe for more. Three, two, 1. The answer is 2,505. Let's take a break. Are you doing well so far? Let's continue with 34 times blank equals 1,020. You can use a pen and paper, but no calculator. Three, two, 1. Correct. The missing number is 30. 4,678 plus 356 equals blank. Three, two, 1. Let's check the answer. The result is 5,034. What is blank divided by 5 if the result is 86? 1. The missing number is 430. 9,412 minus blank equals 8,365. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is 1,047. 9 times blank equals 414. 3, 2, 1. The missing number is 46. 210 times blank equals 1,050. Enjoying the quiz? Like and subscribe for more. Three, 2, 1. The missing number is 5. 210 times 5 equals 1,050. Blank minus 980 equals 2,145. 3, 2, 1. The answer is 3,125. Blank divided by 3 equals 145. 3, 2, 1. The missing number is 435. 3,750 plus blank equals 4,286. 3, 2, 1. The missing number is 536. And here comes the last one. 12 times blank equals 444. 3, 2, 1. The answer is 37. Great job! Keep learning and become a math pro. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to watch our other videos. See you next time!